Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to start with a new lesson in the 4th class, and the first lesson is regarding cleverness. What do you mean by Chaturayi? Chaturayi means cleverness. What is the meaning of Chaturayi? Cleverness. Chaturayi. Chaturayi means cleverness. Did you do any kind of work with the help of your cleverness? Some of you, when your mummy or your teacher, if they assign you some work, you will try to do it very smart. So here in our lesson there is a person whose name is Gonu Jha. What is the name of the person? Gonu Jha. He was assigned some work, and that work he did very smart with his cleverness. So our lesson name is Gonu Jha Ki Chaturayi. What is our lesson name? Gonu Jha Ki Chaturayi. And what is the lesson? हमारा पाठ क्या है? हमारा पाठ है मिथिला के नरेश और गोनू झा के बीच में हुई एक छोटी सी कहानी. A story which happened in between the Mithila's kingdom king and Gonu Jha, who is very very clever in doing the things. You know about Tenali Raman, right? So Tenali Ram, whatever work is assigned, he is a very very great person. He has got a very good talent. So in the same way Gonu Jha is also very clever. ये भी बहुत 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 चतुर है. क्या किया है उसने, ये हमारा पाठ है. What he has done, what was the work he did with a great cleverness. So the story is like this. So Mithila ke Naresh, the king of the Mithila kingdom. What is the meaning of Naresh? Naresh यानी कि king, यानी कि राजा. So the Mithila's kingdom king, he is very very मशहूर. मशहूर means बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध. मशहूर यानी कि फेमस, यानी कि प्रसिद्ध. मिथिला के नरेश वो बहुत ही मशहूर है. किसके लिए? मित्रता के लिए. मित्रता यानी कि फ्रेंडशिप. मित्रता यानी कि फ्रेंडशिप. मिथिला का राजा जो है वो अपने मित्रता के लिए बहुत ही मशहूर है. ही इज़ वेरी फेमस फॉर हिज फ्रेंडशिप. Once his friend came from a foreign country. What do you call foreign country in Hindi? Pardes. Pardes यानी कि foreign country. Foreign country. Mithila's kingdom, his friend came from a foreign country and king invited him very grand manner. And both they started talking with each other. But suddenly his friend who came from the foreign country, he saw a kharbuja on the wall. What did he saw? Kharbuje. Kharbuja means what? A muskmelon. Kharbuja means what? Muskmelon. He saw a muskmelon picture. He saw a picture on the wall, and he wished something with the king. And what he asked to king, he said, राजा जी, अरे मेरे दोस्त, मैंने बहुत दिनों से खरबूजे को खाया तक नहीं, क्या मैंने उसे देखा तक नहीं है. I didn't even tasted it, nor even I have seen the kharbuja from so many days. So when king heard this, he wanted to fulfill the wish of his friend. वो अपने मित्र का जो भी ख्वाहिश थी, जो भी इच्छा थी, उसे पूरा करना चाहता है. इच्छा, इच्छा यानी कि विश, इच्छा यानी कि wish. He wanted to fulfill his wish. So what did he do? Immediately the next day he called the soldiers, he called the person in the kingdom, and he told that my friend want to eat, he did not see kharbuje from many days, so he will have to fulfill his wish. Then what all the darbari people, darbari means what? The people whoever is there in the kingdom or the court, king's darbar. So all the people, they started searching for the kharbuja. So khoj means search. What is the meaning of khoj? Search. They all are in search of a kharbuja. But what is the bad thing here is, because it was not a season where you get the kharbuja. See, if you go with a mango, you get mango only in the summer season. So there are some seasonal fruits. So here kharbuja is also a seasonal fruit, and when the friend asked regarding kharbuja, that was not the season of a kharbuja. So everyone, they came back with empty hands. They didn't get the kharbuja fruit. So what happened? Everybody came to king and they said to king that, Maharaj, हमको तो खरबूजा नहीं मिला. We didn't get the kharbuja. So what the king wanted to do, why he was famous for? He was very famous for his friendship, and he fulfills the wishes of all his friends. But now he is not able to fulfill the wish of his friend. So everybody, they started thinking, and they gave to the king an idea that गोनू झा को अगर हम ये काम सौंप देंगे तो वो ज़रूर ये काम कर सकता है. If you give this work, if you assign this work to Gonu Jha, he will definitely do the work. Then immediately king called Gonu Jha. Who is this Gonu Jha? He is a person, very clever person in the kingdom. So राजा ने गोनू झा को बुलाया, and Gonu Jha was told about the wish. And now what Gonu Jha has told? महाराज, मैं आपका ये काम ज़रूर कर दूँगा. I will definitely do this work. But मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time for doing this work. Then what the king has done? Okay, he gave some time for Gonu Jha. अब गोनू झा ने क्या किया? 2 दिन बीत गए, 3 दिन बीत गए, लेकिन अब तक गोनू झा की कोई पता ही नहीं था. He is not at all coming to the king that, yes Maharaj, I have completed this work. But now everyone, what they started doing, what they were thinking, what they started saying, Gonu Jha, he is unable to do that. So because of that, he is not in the king's darbar. So everybody, when they started thinking like that, one day early in the morning, Gonu Jha, along with a very big basket, he brought a very big basket, and what are there in that? Full of खरबूजे. उसने बहुत सारे खरबूजे लेकर आया. And what the king and his friend are doing, they were in the garden. So Gonu Jha brought the basket of kharbuje and he kept on the floor. And now Mithila's kingdom king and his friend, he was so happy, and he tried to take out those fruits. But immediately what Gonu Jha said, rukiye, please wait. They are not for the eating purpose. They are just only to see. Oh, how is it possible? Why they are only for looking purpose? Why you can't eat? Then Gonu Jha said, महाराज, ये सिर्फ देखने के हैं, वे खाने के नहीं हैं, क्योंकि मैंने इन्हें मिट्टी से बनाया. Because I made these fruits with the help of a mud. See, we make toys with the help of mud. black soil. We make so many things for playing. So in the same way I prepared this kharbuja also with the help of mud. So they are only for look at, you can't eat them. See, very cleverly he did the work. He fulfilled the wish. What was the wish? He said, I did not see the kharbuja from many days. So now his wish is fulfilled. So in this way you can see that Gonu Jha is very, very clever in doing the work. And now let us go through what are the grammar points. क्या क्या व्याकरण है इसमें हम एक बार देख लेंगे जल्दी से. Now let us see. Now what am I doing? I am standing. Yes, but what is the total anti to it? Now what am I doing? I am sitting. So uthna, standing means uthna, and what I did? Baithna. Uthna is completely opposite for baithna. So opposites we call them in Hindi as विलोम शब्द. क्या कहते हैं opposite words को हिंदी में? विलोम शब्द. या हम opposites को उल्टे शब्द भी कह सकते हैं. और क्या कह सकते हैं? opposites को हम उल्टे शब्द भी कह सकते हैं. इसी तरह हमारे इस पाठ में we have some opposites here. What are those? We have some opposites here. सरल, कठिन. सरल यानी कि very very easy. कठिन means hard. सरल, कठिन. सरल यानी कि very easy. कठिन means very hard, tough. And very simple words. If you feel so happy, if anyone cracks a joke, अगर कोई जोक मारता है तो क्या करते हैं आप लोग? आप लोग हंसते हैं. हंसना. और उसका विलोम क्या हो सकता है? देखिए, अगर कोई आया आपके सामने और एक छापड़ मारे, if anybody slaps you, what you will do? You will feel very bad and you start crying. So हंसना का विलोम शब्द है रोना. अगर आपको कोई रुलाए तो क्या करेंगे आप? रोएंगे. और आप जब सुबह में उठते हैं, जब when you get up in the morning and you pack your bags and what you do? You come to the school. So आना, आना यानी कि coming. And what will you do at 4 o'clock? You will go. So जाना यानी कि going. आना, जाना. So likewise you have so many opposite words in our lesson. So here we are given vilom shabd यानी कि which are opposite to each other. We call them as vilom shabd. And you have here some giving which gives the same meaning also. Okay. And what you can say is, here you have the meanings. Already we have written. Naresh means king. Raja also means king. That means a word which has both the words have same meaning, we call them as saman arth. What do we call them? Saman arth. Saman arth means the word which gives you the same meaning. जो शब्द उसके समान अर्थ बताता है उसे हम समान अर्थ कहते हैं. The word which gives you which gives same meaning, we call them as saman arth. And what we have learnt here, विलोम शब्द. विलोम शब्द यानी कि एक शब्द उसका पूरा उल्टा होता है तो हम उसे विलोम शब्द कहते हैं. Now let us just small recap of the lesson in Hindi, because I just till now I have taught you the lesson in English. Now I will recap the lesson in Hindi. मिथिला का जो नरेश है वो अपनी मित्रता के लिए बहुत प्रसिद्ध है और उसने उसके राज्य में एक बार परदेश से एक दोस्त आता है और बातों बातों में उसकी नज़र दीवार पर जो खरबूजे का चित्र था उस पर पड़ा और उसने क्या कहा, अरे मेरे मित्र, मैंने बहुत दिनों से खरबूजा खाने की क्या, मैंने उसे देखा तक नहीं। तो जब ये बात राजा ने सुनी, उसने क्या चाहा, उसने अपने मित्र की जो इच्छा थी उसे पूरा करना चाहा और अगले दिन ही उसने सभा में जितने भी लोग थे उन सब से ये बात कही, दोबारा उसने दोहराई। दोहराना का अर्थ क्या है, रिपीट, दोहराई यानी कि दोबारा कहना, मीन्स टू रिपीट अगेन। तो उसने ये बात फिर से अगले दिन सभा में दोहराई। जब उसने ये बात दोहराई तो सभा के सारे लोग अपने अपने काम में लग गए खरबूजे को खोजने में। क्या वो उस खरबूजे को ला पाए? नहीं, क्योंकि खरबूजा उस मौसम में नहीं मिलता था। तो सब लोग खाली हाथ लौट गए और अब उन सबकी नज़र गोनूझा पर पड़ी और राजा ने गोनूझा को बुलवाया और गोनूझा ने क्या कहा, महाराज, मुझे 2-3 दिन कुछ समय चाहिए। और 2-3 दिन के बाद भी जब गोनूझा नहीं आया खरबूजे से, तो सब लोगों ने क्या कहना शुरू कर दिया, अरे गोनूझा तो काम नहीं कर सका, शायद इसलिए वो नहीं आया। जब ऐसी हो रहा था, एक दिन नरेश और उसका मित्र दोनों उपवन में टहल रहे थे। दे वर जस्ट हैविंग अ वॉक, दे वर वॉकिंग इन द गार्डन। जब वे टहल रहे थे तब गोनूझा अपने मित्र के साथ, एक सैनिक के साथ, एक टोकरी में बहुत सारे खरबूजे के साथ वहाँ पर आ गया और उसने बहुत खुश हुआ। नरेश के मित्र बहुत खुश हुए और वो खाने को खरबूजे लेने चाहा। तब बहुत ही जब ऐसा हो रहा था तो तब गोनूझा ने क्या कहा, जी ये तो सिर्फ देखने के लिए हैं, ये खाने के लिए नहीं है। क्यों? क्योंकि ये मैंने मिट्टी से बनाया। तो ये सब जानकर नरेश और उसके मित्र बहुत आश्चर्यचकित हुए और वे उनकी चतुराई, गोनूझा की चतुराई पर बहुत खुश हुए और गोनूझा को बहुत कुछ इनाम भी मिला। इस तरह गोनूझा की चतुराई सीखकर मैं कामना करती हूँ कि आप भी ऐसी चतुराई करें। आपको भी चतुराई जानिए, अपने अपने तरीके से आप चतुराई से काम लें। ठीक है बच्चों, थैंक यू।